and welcome 12 Commerce students. Today in this class I will talk about another important aspect of motivation from the direction chapter, that is financial and non-financial incentives. As you can see, I have written in the board financial and non-financial incentives. Okay, these incentives are very important in order to these are very important in order to motivate an employee. Motivation needs incentives, whether it can be financial, that is monetary, or it can be non-monetary, but it has to be there in order to motivate somebody, to give his best effort so that he can contribute his best towards the achievement of the organizational objectives. So these financial and non-financial incentives that somebody is to be paid in order to enhance his performance and increase his efficiency, that is very important. Today I will discuss about this financial and non-financial incentives. So remuneration is one thing for which somebody sacrifices his time, his important labor. So this remuneration is the main incentive why somebody is engaged in work, why somebody is contributing his labor, his efficiency towards the organization, why somebody is working effectively in an organization. That totally depends on how much remuneration he is getting, or how much he being remunerated, how much monetary or non-monetary incentive he is provided with. He renders service according to his remuneration. Now this remuneration consists of wages, salaries, bonus, commission. These are to be paid to the employees as compensation for the services rendered by them in the organization. Now, remuneration of an employee is determined on the basis of his ability, his experience, his qualification, his performance, all these. And remuneration should include both monetary and non-monetary. Remuneration doesn't mean only the financial part of the salary. Remuneration means it includes the monetary as well as the non-monetary part, the monetary as well as the non-monetary incentives of a total pay scale. So that's why remuneration is very important in order to motivate somebody. Now, first I will talk about the monetary incentives, that is financial incentives. First I will talk about these monetary benefits that somebody is getting, the monetary benefits. Now, monetary benefits consist of the basic pay plus DA. DA means dearness allowance. In case of tax of class 11, while I was teaching you salary, I have taught you about this monetary benefit, about this structure of payment, the pay scale, the salary structure of any employee working in an organization consists of the basic, the DA, the traveling, the medical, and all sorts of benefits added, all sorts of allowances added with the basic pay. It also consists of certain kind of perquisites also. Here basic plus DA plus production bonus, overtime pay, bonus plus overtime. You have heard of this. Overtime means if somebody works in excessive hours, apart from the regular working hours, he is paid for his extra contribution of labor for the extra period of time working. So basic plus DA plus bonus plus any kind of overtime is there. These are the monetary benefits. Now I will talk about the deferred monetary benefits. Deferred monetary benefits. I am using short form. Now deferred monetary benefits means if somebody is getting some, along with the remuneration, if somebody is getting something extra which he is not directly paid in terms of money, but maybe this benefit he will get in some other forms, say ESI facilities, say provident fund, or some after retirement benefits. Those are called deferred benefits, which are not directly consumed or directly beneficial, but indirectly it is also helpful, because after retirement somebody is getting a lump sum amount or some medical allowances by some state government. All these kind of compulsory deferred payments are added with the salary, with the monetary remuneration. So pension is also there. Previously gratuity was there, so pension fund, gratuity, PF, ESI, all these are deferred payments, transfer payments, which are also beneficial but not added with the monetary benefits. So you can call these as PF, ESI facilities, or you can call it as pension, gratuity, pension fund, gratuity, insurance, gratuity, then insurance, or son's marriage benefit, any kind of offspring's marriage or educational purpose, that for that money is given as a gift. Also you can add with that the holiday vacation pay, you can call it as vacation pay. All these LTA, we previously used to call it leave travel allowance. So these are the deferred monetary benefit. As you can see, it is added with the salary, but not directly, they are not directly but indirectly benefited from all these benefits. Some are after retirement, some you will get if you are suffering from thing, if you get admitted in the hospital, you are going to get some benefits. So directly or indirectly, these incentives help you to motivate. Next is, I will talk about the non-monetary benefits. These are the monetary benefits. Now I will talk about the non-monetary. As you can see the name, as per the name, these are not related to money, but maybe free housing facilities, free canteen facilities, free food, free water. All these services also add up to motivate some employee. May not be they are monetary, but they are also helpful to motivate somebody. If somebody is provided with free transport, subsidized food, free transport, subsidized food, also free education for children, free housing and education. If somebody is staying in a government job, he's doing a government job and he is staying in a quarter provided by the government, so that is also a non-monetary facility. So free housing, free education, etc. So all these are non-monetary benefits. So in this way, high remuneration does not always result in higher labor cost. High remuneration attracts efficient labor force. This increases the output, thus lowering the labor cost per unit. If the method of remuneration is satisfactory, the employer-employee relationship will be good. The method and satisfaction of the employee stimulates production, encourages efficiency, promotes goodwill and satisfaction among the employees. The employer should adopt such a remuneration policy that can ensure a good labor relationship, increase the production and productivity. Therefore, determination of remuneration is a very sensitive and a very delicate issue, because it tends to motivate an employee of an organization. I hope whatever I have explained through this video you have understood. Till then,